Spandau Ballet's Tony Hadley believes the Brits are wrong to scrap the awards' male and female categories. "It's PC gone too far," says the singer. They have been combined into one Artist of the Year gong at February's Do After acts, including non-binary singer Sam Smith criticized it for not being inclusive. But like Brian May, Tony reckons female acts will struggle, as the ceremony has previously been criticized for not representing women. Tony, who previously fronted Brit Award winners Spandau, reckons that's unfair on Ed Sheeran and Adele, who will go head-to-head. "Both of them should get an award, they've sold a lot of records," reasons Tony. Get all the biggest showbiz news straight to your inbox. Sign up for the free Mirror Showbiz newsletter. The trouble is, there's not so many awards. If they have male and female, you get lots of winners. If you combine them into one, there's not the amount of awards you need. Tony, speaking at the Trick Christmas lunch in London yesterday, believes female artists could be penalised as a result, after Little Mix referenced the industry's sexism and misogyny when they became the first girl group to receive the Best Group award. Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@trinitymirror.com or call us direct at 0207 29 33 033.